name is Shauna, and yes, I'm going to be doing some makeup with you all. So let's get started and dive in. So I am going to start off by removing the makeup that I had from the other night. Normally I remove the makeup which I have on from the previous night, but sometimes I don't get everything up. I'm gonna take everything off. I like to use Bioterm, which is really good. I can highly recommend it for removing makeup. Really gets everything off. It doesn't leave a greasy or oily resin. Takes everything off the rest. So I like to use that. So how is everybody doing? I hope you're doing good. It's cold here in Germany. Oh man, is it cold? I hate the cold weather. I love sun. Yes, one day I am going to move to the south, because that is where I want to go. I'm originally from the States, and I've been living here in Germany for over 20 years. Can you imagine? Oh my gosh. I am not going to tell my age, but I've been here for a while. Anywho, okay, so first thing I like to do is my eyebrows. I'm going to get started on my eyebrows. So guys, because I'm still pretty new at making videos, very new at this, so please forgive me. I know it doesn't look professional, at least not yet. And some of the terminology I probably will mess up as well. I've been in Germany way too long, so I have to relearn English all over again. Yes, I speak German. I speak Spanish. My Spanish isn't so good like my German, but I definitely know how to get by. So I like to use Benefit, precisely my brow pencil, for basically drawing out my eyebrows first, just to give it a pattern. Looks like this. No, it looks kind of crazy. So, got that done. Woo-hoo. Yes, so okay. So yes, it is 2021, and another. So one second, I'm gonna add some light because it's a little bit dark in here.
You have to say bye.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish up this eye here, and I'm gonna use twig, and then I'll be right back and I'll show you what the twig eye looks like afterwards. Now I just did the twig. So that I'm going to use as a base. Now I'm going to use my MAC, my favorite go-to eye pencil, Kohl Power Eye Pencil Crayon Kohl. And this is the color, wait a minute, is this the one I want? No, that's not the one I want. Excuse me. Let me get it together. No, that's not the color I want. No, I don't want that one. It's this one. Yes, this is the one. Excuse me. This is the Technical eyeliner. And this is the color Photograph. Okay, so I am going to use, yeah, it's a Technical eyeliner. And this is the Photo Gravure. I'm sorry, guys. We will get it together with the videos. Okay, so basically it's like one of these guys where you turn it so you don't need a sharpener. So I'm going to apply this at my lower line, eye, at the bottom. There's a specific name, but I can't think of it right now. Okay, so it kind of looks like that. It's dark brown, so and then later I'm gonna apply an eyeshadow and smear it out because I like to have that smoky under eye look. Okay, so now I guess I'm going to, which color am I going to use? Dystopian, dystopian, that's this dark color right there. I'm going to take that for the under eye. Oh, and I use my Naked Urban Decay brush. It doesn't, unfortunately, it doesn't have a number on it, so I can't tell you, but it kind of looks like this. And this is my brush that I always use for my under eye for smearing out and giving me the smoky look. See? That's how it looks. A little bit of smoky. Okay, so my son is in this, but he's helping, but I'm not going to put him on camera now. So if you kind of wondering, if you saw some little hair and something was moving in the background, it's my son. He was playing cameraman for me. But it's really sweet, though. I appreciate it. Next time.
Hello, Jen.
Next time. So, anywho, okay, so the next color I'm going to use is, I gotta get some pop to this eye because it's a little bit boring. I think I'm gonna try out the bloom. I don't know. We'll see what that looks like. It's a really loud orangey type color, but I don't know. Just I always like to have something different and not typical to just give it some color and to make it pop a little. So and I use my 219 SE brush to give me that pop look. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to take this color, Bloom, that one there. I just put a little bit on there and put it into the corner. So, kind of looks like that. I don't know. I'm going to play around with it to see how it looks.